XRP trading at 0.6 is a good thing to see. Bulls are trying to break this resistance. Remember, this trend line stayed intact for a few months. Now, if you can break that, it is going to be very bullish because the equation which we talked on the weekly chart for XRP still holds true. XRP on a weekly is arguing this again and again, and if there is a break to the upside, it's not just a breakout from this trend line, but rather it's also a continuation pattern. So if XRP is about to pull this off, we're going off towards $2, close to that range. We'll have multiple stops in between, but it is going to attract a lot of liquidity. Now, this is all happening while the total altcoin market, excluding Ether obviously, is breaking to the upside with a daily candle close after 7 months. That's a beautiful sight to see, which means, yeah, Bitcoin dominance is slowing down. If it breaks 57, now we are going all the way back down to 55 in the most likely scenario, which means obviously opportunities everywhere. You look in the market, you would be watching a ton more of these opportunities. Riding the wave is going to be hard, but finding opportunities is going to be easier. Riding those opportunities is going to give you more authentic profits in this market. Now, welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to learn how to become the next top 10% of this world. Right now, the new liquidity entering the market is a reality. You're watching some of them turning down, but a lot of them running to the upside. You're watching breakouts, you're watching liquidity attraction, liquidity grab by some assets. If you follow that correctly, you kind of have an idea which direction this is all going. While Bitcoin is slowing down on a shorter horizon, you're watching XRP pushing towards the resistance. Now, this is not something new for us. We have always seen this. Before Bitcoin goes through a micro drop, XRP kind of pushes higher and then come back down to that support. But it is good. We are not breaking the support to the downside. So that is exactly where, yes, understanding the XRP USDT chart becomes good, but then bringing in the XRP Bitcoin chart and looking at it becomes more important. Remember, this is a weekly chart. The importance of this is sky high. You're watching the weekly chart of XRP to Bitcoin, and the trend line which we broke is still intact. The breakout is still valid. So yes, obviously we'll have to zoom a little bit in to see what is happening right now. So the price action is supportive to the bullish side of the equation. One candle to the upside, which took another 2 candles to the downside to test the same bottom, which kind of gives you the idea, whenever the next liquidity comes in, you are about to push to the upside. Benefit with this is the fact that when the market is low and a high liquidity asset, large cap asset with utility breaks higher, this kind of gets in more and more new people as well as others inside the market where the market is shaky, where the market is not moving for them. They will look at assets which are kind of sure about a strong project being a strong project, and then it's starting to move. Because these assets, when it moves rapidly. So people would like to join that ride and they jump in, creating that FOMO. So the FOMO is coming soon. Any time with this breakout here, we are going to watch that, because just look at this. The equation in the RSI on a weekly chart shows you I broke higher, I'm retesting and reaccumulating. With any break here, I'm running to 70 plus, which is obviously the FOMO season. And XRP entering into that FOMO season would shift the mindset of a lot of people. Believe me, majority have 50% plus XRP in their portfolio, at least in my viewers. When I'm watching them, yeah, when the price of all the other assets are going up, they're not euphoric, they're not excited. But when XRP goes up, their portfolio goes up. Things change quickly. The sentiment here changes pretty quickly. And that shows the additional liquidity, the profit generated, it's going to be rotated into different assets. While you hold on to your long-term bags, understand the market is about to shift, about to pivot. Micro moves are going to give you real opportunities if you're trying to time the market. But for us, we understand timing the market is good, but time in the market is better. If you're trading, yeah, you have to try and time the market. But now, these short-term moves, it actually gives you some opportunities if you missed any entry. Any bounce up from here would show you beautiful opportunities. And that comes with a retest, the basic market structure. And then when you zoom out, you also see a resistance. So don't forget about this resistance. If the price is reaching here and slowing down, that's not a good sign. But while it does that, the Bitcoin dominance, if it is breaking lower, it's perfect for the altcoin market. And that liquidity flow changes the direction. It is going to attract a lot of it. While you're in the market, understand that these opportunities rotate from gaming to payments to smart contracts to AI. Money flow happens like that. It moves from one industry to another. Understanding that and aligning yourself looks like a golden rule. For that, SI Family is here to support and help you. To reach out, use the link in the description below so that you don't miss out on this. What? Something changing after 7 months, which shows, yeah, the bottom was here in August. So that was true. The bullish divergence was accurate, but it took another couple of months to play you out, to shake you out emotionally before it actually broke to the upside. Now that it is breaking higher, now that XRP is trying to break higher, watch what these assets are doing. Bitcoin, if you're on a higher time frame, you're watching a 3-day chart. It's still going up. It's about the moving average on a 3-day. You go on to a weekly chart. You're like, okay, I'm testing the moving average. Any move here just above that is bullish because you still remain inside a macro pattern, which is a bull flag. That's great. That's perfect when you're in a bull market because that gives you the idea the accumulation part is done. You're going for the blow off. Perfect. So any breakout there is going to bring retail in. Any breakout here is going to bring massive amount of hype, speculation, everything. The $10,000 guys, the $1,000 guys, everyone would jump in, hyping this, bringing in new people. Yeah, it may not be good for those who are jumping in at $10, $6, thinking it's going to 1,000 right now. But for us who are already here, that's good. We use that as a liquidity. As soon as there is a divergence, jump out. Don't ask another question. Observe the market, learn from the market, execute based on it. So if you want further help on that, join the SI family. And if you received value, smash that like button. I'll meet you guys on the next video. Bye for now.